Hi everyone, welcome back to Unreal with Usman. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a simple zoom in and zoom out system using the mouse scroll wheel in Unreal Engine 5. We will set up scroll wheel input, control the camera distance, and make the zoom feel smooth instead of instantly moving the camera. This is a simple but really useful mechanics that you can use in different types of game, especially third-person games, strategy games, and other camera-based systems. I will go through the whole process step by step so you can easily follow along and create the same system in your own project. So let's get started. As you can see, I am in a default Unreal Engine third person character template. On here, I first open my BP character class. On here, I simply drag my camera boom and search for the target arm length. What does this target arm length do? It get the current distance between the camera and the character. Then I simply search for the mouse wheel and get this mouse wheel axis from the mouse event. Then I simply again search for the get mouse wheel and simply multiply it by 20 units. It controls how much the camera zoom changes per 20 seconds. Then the spring arm length changes by 20 units. Then I add these two values. Then search for the clamp float and put my minimum values. If you select the camera boom, you have a target arm length values. I currently have a target arm length value to 400, so I set my minimum value to 300 and maximum value to 1200, and these values work perfect for me. You can adjust according to your requirements. Then I simply search again target arm length and set and connect these two after return node and connect the output execution pin of mouse wheel axis to the target arm length. Simply adjust my code so it looks clean and nice. So here's our code for the zoom in and zoom out. Compile it, save it. Now let's test this code. As you can see, when I simply scroll up my mouse wheel, the camera zoom in, and when I scroll down, the camera zoom out, and camera smoothly changes its direction. You can adjust your minimum and maximum camera distance according to your game. And that's all for this tutorial. If it helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe my Unreal Engine channel. And if you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.